Just welded in caps in there. Won't need it, I just done it just in case. That pen will go through that way. Hopefully that'll be it. A bit of space there. So I want this to be welded on, a small piece there. I'd like to box this section off altogether with something. So I might actually get a piece of angle iron. I'm going to quick look, see, I don't think I've about 4-inch angle iron. It'd be nice to have a bit of angle iron that came out that way. And then that box section welded onto that. And I'm going to go have a quick look. Yeah, I'm just giving quick updates here as I'm going along. I'm not recording what I'm working on because it takes too long to set everything up every time. I don't want to weld around this camera because I have no screen protectors on it. So this is the bit that slides in and out, that the wheel grid, I suppose you could call it. What's going to happen here is I'm going to weld this plate on here because I want to cap this end to give it a bit of structure. And let me see what I'm doing here. Then this box iron is going to be cut whatever length this is, and that's where the L-arm slides into, that locks the wheel in place. What I wanted to do here is make a ramp out of here, so I want to get as far away from that as I can. So this might have to get changed. I'm just going to have to look at this for a bit longer. I would like this to be out about there. I just don't have the steel here. I'm not going buying steel for it. So it'll probably be there, something like that. We'll just see how that goes. So I'll probably just come back when that's done. I'm nearly done here, because I can probably come back tomorrow. So I'm done here with these. I've notched a length out. It fits on there like that. I can weld it around the edges a bit better. What I'm going to do is I might probably just stitch these up. I might weld them up, we'll see how it goes. So I want to get it flat on the bench so I can get this fairly flat. The slim bracket's welded on there. I'm not going to weld this up, because if I weld this here with nothing here, it's going to warp in or out. And I want to be able to put a flat piece of steel like that against it. So I'm going to weld that on first. So that's the bit now I'm just going to cut. I'm done here now, I've definitely run out of time. So I'll probably cut that a small bit longer than that. I'll probably angle that down. I don't know, I'll have to see what I'm doing here. So I want a plate coming out here. I want the wheel plate to come out and go down, just to get the wheels back further from this as far as I can. But yeah, it's looking good. It's only taken a couple of hours to get this far. I should have done this years ago. Just that thing pissed me off. Then I can extend it, whatever that is. I measure quickly, see what it is. I'm happy with that now. If I don't run out of gas, I'll get that done tomorrow, but I'm surprised the gas hasn't ran out. It's been on 0 for the last 2 weeks. Alright, I'll leave that there. That's that there. So nothing's welded up, it's just all stitched on. So I can weld this on here, and it'll stop this from warping, and I can weld around that. I've just rounded off all the edges just for shins and legs when you hit them off stuff, and I'll go inside there later on. So I might do is weld up the L bracket and make sure it works.